Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making air fryer chicken thighs, 2 flavors. The first flavor is a zesty Tex-Mex. In a small mixing bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix to combine. Here we have 4 bone-in chicken thighs. To the chicken, add the juice of 2 fresh limes, followed by a splash of olive oil. Season with the rub that we created. Feel free to use all of the rub and toss the chicken thighs until evenly coated. Transfer to the fridge and let them marinate for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's make the other flavor, the flavors of India. In a small mixing bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And give that a quick mix. For the flavors of India, we are also using 4 bone-in chicken thighs. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the chicken, followed by a splash of olive oil. Then season with half of the rub that we created. You may save the remaining half of the rub for another time. Toss the chicken thighs until evenly coated. Transfer to the fridge and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Now set your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheat your air fryer basket for 3 minutes. Ooh. Then place the chicken thighs into the preheated air fryer basket. I like placing them skin down first. Air fry them at 390 degrees for 25 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And halfway through the cooking time, make sure that you flip them over. Continue air frying for the remaining time. I believe that now you are ready to eat. You may garnish with fresh parsley for a pop of color. There you guys have it. Quick and easy air fryer chicken thighs, 2 flavors. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!